Guys, this strategy made me to be among the top 100 binary option traders in my country in just one day. No lie, check this out. Tagged by the IQ option broker itself, the strategy is amazingly accurate. It is a 1-minute candle prediction technique that I discovered using two trading view indicators that are 100% non-repainted. The 3-line strike indicator, which acts as a signal, and the linear regression candles, which plot the trend and shows the breakout momentum. The strategy is easy to understand. For buy option, wait until you get a buy signal from the 3-line strike indicator. For entry, wait until the linear regression candle closes above the white plot line. When those conditions are met, take a 1-minute option trade. For sell option, wait until you get a sell signal from the 3-line strike indicator. For entry, wait until the linear regression candle closes below the white plot line. When those conditions are met, take a 1-minute option trade. A quick backtest will reveal how accurate the strategy is on 1-minute trades. I will give it a 90% accuracy. The entry point of this strategy is on a very strategic price point, perfect for option trading. The indicators don't repaint or recalculate. That makes them more reliable on short-term trade entries. To get these indicators, go to tradingview.com, open any currency chart, set the chart to 1-minute time frame, click on indicators and search for 3-line strike by the TRD floor. This guy. Click on it to attach to the chart. This indicator is a spin-off of the popular TMA overlay indicator. It narrows down the scope to simply identifying a couple of key candlestick patterns, engulfing candles and 3-line strikes. It shows the average price of an asset of a specified number of data points. The other indicator you are going to add to your chart is the linear regression candles by this guy. Click on it to attach to the chart. This indicator is used to predict the price relationship between two assets and help traders to predict price trends and also the duration. The system is almost ready now. We just have to change some few settings. No change for the 3-line strike indicator. Use it with its default settings. For the linear regression candles, click on settings, go to inputs and change the signal smoothing to 5. Press OK to save. On the same, go to style and change the size of the plot line so that it can be more visible, because that's the trigger line. Only one more important setting remaining. Disable the default Japanese candlesticks on your chart so that the chart can look clear. To do this, go to your currency symbol and click the hide button. All set and done. The chart looks clean and straightforward. One last thing you can do is to add an alert on the 3-line strike indicator. On your top left, click on the 3 dots and choose add alert. This will notify you of an incoming trade setup to get you ready. Okay, enough with much talk. Let's put this strategy to test on a real account using IQ option broker. First trade setup on sterling pound against the dollar. A call signal from the 3-line strike indicator and the candlestick body is above the white trigger line. All conditions have been met. Trade taken on the next candle for 1-minute expiry. Trade on the move, and there we go. We got the first win using the strategy. Next trade setup on the dollar against the Japanese yen. As long as there is a signal on the chart, just wait for the price to break below the trigger line, because that's when the price will have a higher momentum to reverse. On this case, we had two put signals before market decided to reverse. That's a good setup. Put trade executed. It may look like I entered early, but it's not the case. The wick from the previous 3 candles indicated a high selling pressure. The current candle would definitely open below the trigger line, making it a perfect put trade. You could still re-enter another put trade after the current candle closes and still stand a chance to win. Second trade in the money. You have to be on the lookout for setups after getting the alerts. Got another setup on the euro against the Japanese yen. Sell signal from the 3-line strike indicator. Check. Candle price is below the white trigger line. Check. Execute 1-minute sell trade at the beginning of the next candle immediately. Ignore this buy signal. It hasn't met any conditions. Trade on the move. And the trade is won by a close margin. That's the main reason of executing a trade at the beginning of each candle. You can enter a second or two earlier for perfect timing. Next trade forming on the euro against the sterling pound market. A call option. Confirm all conditions are met and wait to take the trade at the beginning of the next candle. As you can see, the body of the regression candle is nicely tucked in above the white trigger line, making it an easy win. With more than 5 charts, you can be guaranteed to get signals back to back. Another setup on the dollar against the yen. Call trade forming, but the candles have lots of wicks, showing price rejection. I will wait until I get a solid candle to close above my trigger line, then enter. Looks like we will get a signal, but always find setups that have solid candles to be on the safe side. Call trade executed. Let's see how it goes. Option trade closes in the money, also by a small margin because of the candle wicks. I will take as many trades as possible to show you this is not by luck but by a calculated strategy. 2 more trade setups on the euro against the yen and sterling pound against the dollar, both call options. 2 call trades executed and on the move. One trade won, 1 trade lost, but looking back at it, I think I was too eager to enter into a trade. For the sterling pound against the dollar trade, the body of the candle had not closed above the trigger line. That was a mistake. I should be entering the trade now. But like we say it in our country,
hii imeenda kabisa, hii imeenda.
Numbers don't lie. 12 trades so far, 8 wins, 4 losses, some due to silly mistakes. No Martin Gill, $26 profit since I started the trading session. More trade setups keep on coming. All conditions have been met on this euro against the yen trade. It's irresistible. Another trade won. This strategy has a good win rate on major currencies provided by binary option brokers such as IQ Option. The strategy is quick and precise. You can apply this strategy on a 5 minutes to even 1 hour trade expiry options as long as your broker allows it. IQ Options broker shows the top 100 binary option traders in your country. And yes, I'm from my beloved country, Kenya. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni, mwakaribishwa. Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Hit the subscribe button, yo. One final trade to make $45 and become among the top 100 binary option traders in Kenya this week. I will have to wait and find a perfect setup. No hurry in Africa in this case. I have to enter on the coveted list. $12 bet on the line. Let's do it. A perfect setup on sterling pound against the dollar. There is a call signal from the 3-line strike indicator above the white trigger line. Setups don't come better than these. Trade executed. I might have been recording the wrong tab on TradingView when all the action was happening, but here is the setup. Perfect entry and a swift win. I am now sure that I am on the leaderboard of top 100 binary option traders in Kenya. So that's the final trade of this video. I could have continued. I usually enjoy doing these, but there's some high impact news on core inflation rate that will force me to stop trading for about 1 hour until the markets are calm again. Apart from the fundamental news, other factors that may affect this strategy is the broker's execution speed, slow internet, and poor price judgment. If you are able to control the 3, then you can be profitable while using this strategy. I have made $45 profit within 3 hours of trading. Promising trade results. You just need to follow the rules and maintain the trading discipline. Set your stop loss and target profit per day, and you'll see your account grow faster than your bank account savings.
My nigga.
At the end of the day, I was placed on the 99th place on the IQ Option Leaders Board. I believe this strategy can make you among the top 10 binary option traders in your country. I will definitely try and continue taking trades with this strategy, and I will share my progress on my Telegram channels. Try this strategy and share your progress too on the comments section, or contact me with the details displayed on your screen right now. Thank you so much for your watch time. You know the drill. Like, share and subscribe for more content like this, and see you on my next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace, guys.
I'm still me, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply. I'm still me, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply. I'm still me, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply. I'm still me, I stay automatic. Money add then still me, I stay automatic.